Welcome CRO family, thanks for joining me today, April 12, 2024. Subscribing, liking, commenting and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 14.7 cents, up 2.39% with volume up 167.54%. The price is ranging from a high of 15.7 cents and a low of 14.3. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 3,944,444,000 which is up and a trading volume of 39,486,000 which is up. Etherscan is showing 309,277 holders up 4. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com with 34.01%, number 2 is Gate.io with 18.13%, and number 3 Upbit with 17.73%. For our social presence on X, our main account has 2.8 million followers, and our main Reddit channel has 204,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir, take care.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.